Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the half of Pepe token. Ticker symbol is PE. Now this is a fairly new token on the Solana blockchain that is trending today. This token is trending number 13 right now in the Solana section. Almost has a $250,000 market cap, just came out a couple days ago. We're going to go over the information on the half of Pepe token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the half of Pepe token has a market cap right now of $246,000, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. They are up 130% in the past 24 hours. They have a 24-hour trading volume today of over $500,000, $540,000. They've had 345,447 transactions. In the past 6 hours, they're up 58%. Now they have $53,000 in liquidity in Raydium, and according to DEX Screener, 100% of the total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see that. Now they have been doing marketing today on DEX Screener. There is a marketing boost button. They also have here a quick audit on DEX Screener. It says no mintable tokens and contract is not freezable. So that's good to see that. Token pair was created 2 days, 8 hours ago on Raydium. So this is a very new token. It says half of Pepe, trying to reach half of the market cap of the whole Pepe. So that's a good goal because I believe, the market cap for Pepe was like $1 billion or this crazy amount. So, I mean, $500 million is a good market cap. Now, they have the webpage, Twitter, Telegram, all linked on DEX Screener, trending number 13 right now in the Solana section. So if you wanted to get this token, first of all, you would need a wallet that stores Solana tokens. So you could use a Trust wallet, Soulflare wallet, a MetaMask wallet, or Phantom. Now you would fund, say, your Phantom wallet with Sol, and you could fund it from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you would go into the dApps, you would find Raydium, and then using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, halfofpepe.com, you would trade your Sol for the half of Pepe token using that contract address. You probably will not have to set slippage. I do not believe that there is taxes. We're going to check that in a second. And you will have to pay a little bit of gas fees. Now, this token may be listed on central exchanges in the future. It's probably available also on Jupiter besides Raydium, maybe Orca or Meteora, some other Solana dexes. On their webpage, halfofpepe.com, you can find the contract address, Twitter, Telegram, DEX Screener link. It says half of Pepe, ticker symbol PE. Did you know that PE, half of Pepe, means half the market cap of the whole Pepe? We are new and OG meta on Solana chain. We destroyed Jeets like whole hashtag Pepe did it, and nothing is going to stop us too. So it says how to buy Pepe. They do have a step-by-step how to use Jupiter on their webpage if you want to check that out. They also have an embedded chart on their webpage as well that you could check out from DEX Screener. And it says, see you at half market cap of Pepe. We send it to Halfala, which is like a play off of Valhalla, but I guess they're calling it Halfala. So they have a Telegram you can follow here at half_of_Pepe. 496 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project. If you want to see new token listing sites, new partnerships, new announcements, all that type of stuff, follow the Telegram as well as their Twitter, which I'm going to put right in the corner of the screen here at half_of_Pepe_Sol. Contract address is right there. Real easy to find that on the Twitter and Telegram and webpage. So basically all the links you're going to need are on this Twitter right here. And you can see this is a brand new project because they just joined Twitter in September 2024. 426 followers, 20 tweets so far. And yeah, it says they're doing airdrops. So it says half of Pepe airdrop is here. And that is a tweet from 5 hours ago. 3 million half of Pepe tokens will be airdropped in the next 24 hours. So they have a little event going on. You could check that out. And yeah, besides that, if you go over to Dext Tools, there is a quick audit over there. We're also going to check out their rug check here in a second. So they have 1,720 holders so far. Doing pretty well here. It says their total supply is 999.99 million tokens, and that is also their circulating supply. So obviously they started out with 1 billion total supply, and it's a deflationary token. Now they have a Dext score of 85 out of 99. They have here a quick audit on Dext Tools by Quick Intel Security, and it says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. Now keep in mind that is just a quick audit. It's not a full audit. You should always look out for full audits. Do your own research. Their Soul Scan actually says they have a little more holders. They have 1,862 holders so far. There are 6 decimal places on this token. This token was created on pump.fun, and you could tell that because the end of their contract address ends in pump. And then they have here their rug check, which you could find on Soul Scan, and it says risk analysis good. It says low amount of LP providers, and that's because it's a new token. Now, the top holder has 4.5% of the tokens, and so, you know, there's no gigantic whales. I mean, 4.5% is a decent amount, but they also have 10.9% of the tokens is in the Raydium pool, but that is locked and burned. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.